Hey there, Deborah Peddle-Hann here. Today I'm going to walk you through some modifications for high impact exercises. I get it, I know what it's like. Sometimes our bodies are just not wanting to do the high impact, especially for us women. Sometimes our joints, our bladder, our chest, those high impact exercises just don't cut it, and we need to be able to find low impact but high intense exercises. We still want to be able to get our heart rate up, but we don't want to have that impact on our joints. So today I am going to show you 6 of my top modifications for high impact exercises. Let's go. And no surprise, jumping jacks is the first exercise. A lot of times that big jumping, the big movements is too much for us. All you need to do for a jumping jack to get your heart rate up is you're going to step out to the side, arms out, and out, right here. This is where you can be. Anytime you get those arms up above the heart, you're gonna start increasing the heart rate. If you wanna do a little bit more of a bounce, what you could do is just hop one to the other. That way you're still getting a little bit of impact, but not that huge movement. So the next one is cross-country ski. A lot of times what we'll see is this sort of movement. Don't want the impact, step back, step back. Now from here, how you start making that a high intensity is you get those arms really strong. Bring them up, pump out the arms. So if you're not jumping, you're pumping. Big arms, nice and strong. Gonna get the heart rate up. High knees, another very common cardio. So you've got those running high knees. Same rule applies, getting the arms up above the heart. High knee, low impact. Look at this. I promise you, gonna get that heart rate up. You do this for 30 seconds or a minute with these arms coming up above your heart, you bringing the knees nice and high, and you tell me your heart rate isn't getting up. You don't need to jump. Right into butt kicks. Right here, we see this a lot. Great, if you can do that. If not, right here. Where are my arms? Do you see a trend? Up above the heart, bringing the heels up to my bum. Leapfrogs. This could be a really big one, but it can be very hard on the joints. Normally we would see you come down and then a big jump up. So you can still do a bit of a squat depending on what you're able to do. If you can do the full squat where you're keeping your chest up and you can touch the ground, that's great. If not, maybe you're only going to do half and then come up, reach, tiptoes, down, reach, down, and reach. We'll get the heart rate up. You do not need to jump. And no surprise, the last one is going to be a burpee. This is a really common one for a lot of classes, and some of us, whether it's your joints, whether it's your body, for a lot of us it's a blood pressure thing that the down and up gets us really dizzy. The best solution, besides slowing down and not doing the full jumping out and up, is to use some sort of bench or an elevated surface like a sturdy chair. Standing in front of it, all you need to do, hands down, step out, step in, reach up. Add a little step, you can come down, 2 feet out, in and up. You don't need to jump. Sometimes all you need to do is to have that elevation where you're not having to go all the way to the floor. It's gonna make a really big difference. And for some people, this is actually going to be a better exercise. You're gonna get more burpees in because you're not taking that time to try to get to the floor and then have all that effort to try to get back up and get really frustrated. So it's here, down, out, in, reach, down, out, in. Think about how faster you can go and how much you can get your heart rate up when you're just simply elevating yourself a little bit. You're still gonna get a great workout. So there you have it, and I really hope that helped you. I want to encourage you, don't let exercise, don't let impact, don't let certain types of classes hold you back. You can do this. You just need to listen to your body, go at a pace that works for you, and figure out some of these modifications so that you can think, oh, I'm seeing them do this, I know how to modify that. I know how to still get my heart rate up, but protect my body, because that's what it's all about. When you are getting your heart rate up, when you are working hard, but you are protecting your joints, you are protecting your body, you're gonna be able to do a lot more exercise, you're gonna get stronger, you're gonna get the body composition that you're looking for, because you're figuring out how to make it work for you, because that's the only workout you need to worry about. You don't need to worry about mine or another instructor's. You just need to know, how do I make this my own workout? Please go have a fantastic day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. I love you all. Thank you. Go live your healthiest life, live your best life, and I will see you again soon.